that shots, but it is a very much difficult to open that bottle. So it is sometimes it is a lengthy process for patient. So we are going to communicate that if you prescribe Dr. Soft Gelatin capsule, it will be very much easy for the patient to take. As well as D3 must from mankind. This is also in a soft gelatin capsule and sachet form. So what we are going to do to achieve this 300 unit, which is very much quite possible, because we are targeting the specialties consulting physician, and most of the consulting physician they write at least minimum of 100 strips potential is there. 100 strip soft gelatin capsule they can write up to 200 to 300 units of a sachets also they can write. So if you convert only 5 doctors out of a 10, or even if I say only if I convert only 4 consulting physicians, that also it is very much achievable, sir, 300 units. So our brand strategy is that we are going to visit at every first day of a month, we are going to visit the 10 consulting physicians which we have selected. And for these 10 doctors, as per the BFA, this one day we will dedicate an entire day for the Vitanova D3 soft gelatin capsule campaign. So here we are going to provide the samples for him and for his family also. And for this, our communication is like that, sir. We are going to provide that sample kit, which is for doctor and for his family. And communication for that that campaign is that, sir, whenever doctor we feel unwell, and whenever we feel unwell, there are doctors like you who treat us. Similarly, so Dr. Juventus is coming forward to ensure that you and your family should be vitamin D3 sufficient. So we are going to provide, sir, this vitamin D3 soft gelatin capsule for you and for your family for the entire 12 months. So that to ensure you and your family should be vitamin D3 sufficient. So ultimately, as we are going to visit this same set of a doctor at each month, it is very much possible that at least we can convert minimum 5 to 6 doctors from out of 10, because this is our target. So also there is a visual aid communication is there, which is specially designed for consulting physician, in which we communicate is like that, sir, like in suspected vitamin D3 deficiency, insufficiency associated with the diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, muscle pain, respiratory tract infection, as well as a general weakness, because these are the indication which normally consulting physician come across. So we have targeted only these indications here. And doctor, so in these type of indication, you can fortify vitamin D3 levels by prescribing Dr. Vitamin D3 soft gelatin capsules and sachets, which is the brand of a cholecalciferol 60,000 unit, international unit. Our advantage is that is the soft gelatin capsule will ensure Dr. 99% absorption of a vitamin D3. So that is our unique selling point. As well as doctor, with the prescription of this Vitanova D3, key to general level being an healthy life, Vitanova D3 will ensure doctor that reversion of pre-diabetes by 21%, because most of the consulting physicians they practice a diabetic, and 16% reduction in doctor's systolic blood pressure. As well as doctor, there is a 90% clinical improvement in a low back pain with the prescription of a Vitanova D3 soft gelatin capsule. So looking to this brand strategy and visual aid communication with our continuous visit, I am sure I can achieve Dr. 300 units within days to come. Yeah.
Good.